only in Afghanistan did sometimes the emotion of the slaughter take over in an unfortunate way. But he had a grandson whom he loved very much. And that grandson traveled with him. And he had the happy childhood that Temujin had not had. And I think Genghis Khan just loved that about him. But in Afghanistan, he was sent off to conquer the valley of Bamiyan, where the great Buddhas are, actually. He was sent to Bamiyan, and as it says in the Persian history, the thumb of fate fired the arrow that shot him down. He was killed. And for Genghis Khan, he had never lost a family member, not one. None of his sons, none of his grandsons in battle. He had not lost them. And now to lose the most valuable grandson you have, the one that's your pride and joy in so many ways. And so he called the father, his own son, to him and did not tell him. He did not announce it to the public. And the son came, and the son didn't know why he was being summoned. And Genghis Khan said, "You have to tell me that you will not cry or moan when I tell you this, but your son is no more." And the father no one was allowed to moan. No one was allowed to cry. No one was allowed to do anything. He said, make them cry. He came down on the people of Afghanistan so harshly. And it went on for weeks and weeks, the killing in Afghanistan. And then it just kind of wore itself out. He recognized that he had allowed his emotions to overcome practicality, and the slaughtering of these people should stop. And so he did. But that's the only time I know of that he really kind of lost control of his own emotions. And it's something we can all understand, but his response was truly extreme of, we will not cry, we will not mourn. They will cry, they will mourn.
So that goes against the cold, rational way he approached war, which is peace is offered, yes, and then betrayal is punished.
I should add, he did not slaughter the people in the peaceful towns. What happened was the killing of what people thought was the heir, and he well may have been, of Genghis Khan. The killing of him revitalized a lot of people's hopes, and a lot of cities revolted. The ones who did not revolt were not killed. But the cities who revolted, he killed them all. There was a mass slaughter.